Let's talk about collaboration between DBAs and developers, or sysadmins and developers, or whatever your theme is. DevOps talks about not optimizing any part of the process over any other process. We don't want to try to ensure that software development and writing code takes place at a better rate than deployments. We want to ensure that the flow of the entire process, from architecture and design to post-deployment monitoring, works smoothly together, and it works at a pace that works for us. This means that we want to bring developers and operational staff such as DBAs together. They have to better understand and meet each other's goals and needs. We also want to make sure that we include the database architects, the project managers, the QA people, everybody that's involved in the process in understanding the needs and goals of the entire pipeline so that anybody that has a stake helps us ensure that we have a smooth and efficient process. Now, nobody wants to delay the release of software to users. Nobody wants to bring down a system. When one side or the other starts to get concerned about this, it impacts the entire process. Their requirements start to be more important than delivering software to users. And remember, our goal in DevOps is to deliver value to our end users often and as quickly as possible. When we start to consider our local requirements, our stability, or our changes as more important than the entire process, we get in a situation that so many organizations find themselves in today. DBAs are reluctant to touch systems or change code because they want it to work. It works now, why should I change anything? And developers constantly want to push changes out, and they worry about finishing their work, overwhelming DBAs and overwhelming any resistance, and they don't listen to suggestions. They just want to get their code deployed as quickly as possible. In DevOps, we have to bring everybody together. We're trying to solve those problems and trying to deliver software, deliver value to our customers. So the DevOps approach encourages both sides to dialogue with each other, respect the needs, concerns, and requirements of each, work to mitigate any issues we have, try to ensure all of our value reaches the end users. Now, we do this by providing feedback to each other, talking about what works and what doesn't work. We want not only negative issues, but positive issues. Let somebody know when things work. Developers learn to be careful about the changes they make to databases that it might impact availability, performance, or stability. Maybe they even have to stage changes across time and across multiple deployments because they don't want to cause issues in production. And DBAs have to ensure they work with developers. We want to deploy those changes of software as quickly as possible. We want to ensure that our concerns are being met, but we also address the developers and we get their changes through as quickly as possible. And we work with QA and architects and everybody along. When we have better planning, it helps both sides concentrate on their own jobs, while trusting the other side is not going to disrupt their work and is going to respect their needs and their requirements.